How to fix GTA 5. Please reboot. Problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Only to do, just open your files and then go to documents, and after that, once you're here, click Rockstar Games and click GTA V, and here we'll find settings. Right click on it and then click open with and click notepad. Now once you're here, just put your mouse on edit, and here we'll find find. Click on it. Now just type here dx and click find next, and now just close this window, and here you will find dx version. Now just if you find it like that, all you need to do, just set it to 0 and then click save here, save, and now just close it, and now just try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.